Yo guys, what's up and Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day right now and I'm just doing a quick ride out of nowhere. Just did some nice little gift exchange and now we're gonna go ride. Oh, puppies like the bike. And I'm not dressed warm enough, but we're gonna go do some low speed stuff, just kind of work on some little combos, I think. Anyone at the old Q-Mart? Looks like not really. Hope all y'all have, or having, or had a great holiday spent with friends and family. And with your bikes, of course, I hope. Can we hand drag? We haven't hand dragged in ages. Still got it? Maybe? Woo! Guys, we're getting new forks for this bike. I'm so excited. Woo! Feel like we haven't gone out and done a stunt ride in ages. It's been so busy. Ooh, the C8. Oh yeah, that is one pretty car. Yeah, buddy. Mid-engine, literally looks like a Ferrari. I love the all black C7. That looks dope. No foot brake right now, guys. I need to rebleed it. I don't know what happened to it, to be honest, but literally zero foot brake, which sucks because I wanted to practice foot brake, but it's fine. Getting stoppies though. I just love circle wheelies, guys. Yeah, there's that trail, but it's definitely so wet, so we're not gonna mess with that. We can go hit the little lip here. Oh, the snow again. Could probably send that. That'd be kind of tall, but. All right, I want to do donuts here, but I'm not trying to get this thing all dirty again. Okay, well, we did not have any grip coming off that. Throttle one-hander still among my favorite tricks. It's just so cool cruising, coasting. It'll be good once we get the foot brake back to do no-handers. But I have Supermoto tires for these wheels. Shout out Tress X Trey. But I might even mess around and get 12s or 14s. Let me know down below if you guys would like that. Looks perfect for circles. Looks like some donuts have been done here. Little death spin. Now the knee knock. Yeah, seat stand-ups would be cool. Like stand-up circles. I don't know if I'm built like that. Not yet. Oh my god. My feet are so slippery. My shoes. Ooh, jeez. Roll nice stoppy. Whew. Got scared. Got to get a little bit higher. Once you go too high, you're kind of fucked. See if we can get up back to a knee knock. See if we can drop from stand up to knee knock. Sit down, knee knock, stand up. Okay, kind of drop back down. Woo! Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. GoPro's gonna die. Tons of install videos coming on this bike. Seat, fender, what else? I don't know, other stuff. But I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.